Good morning all and welcome to Play of the Day. This is Zach calling for duty, and Play of the Day is something we've looked at in the past, something we've not managed to sustain purely because of the time elements involved, but I'm just managing slowly to get on top of things and just to free up a little bit more of my day by being sad to say more organised. Not sure if I like it, but hey, it could help you guys. So Play of the Day will be coming back, and it will be coming back strong, and it will be coming back every day. It might be a little bit sporadic at the moment, but I'm going to do my utmost best to get this back up and running, because if you remember on YouTube we had some successful little stories with that just in this short time that it was running. You know, some 200, 300, 400, 500 point moves were not out of the question, and there was usually something every day to look at. And it's not quite as clear today, but I'm liking a little bit of yen strength coming in, and I do believe that most of the yen pairs will fall a little bit lower on the back of what dollar yen is doing. It's trying very hard to push that little bit lower at the moment. Now, there's no defined clear setup as we speak, but this CAD yen, the loonie versus the Japanesey. Okay, let's have a look at this. This is what I'm looking for on here. Okay, we've just got the cross of our 84 CCI, so our 4-hour trend might be coming to an end, and we might be making our way down to this WS1 and this daily 20 moving average down at the 80 level. So, you know, there's a potential 150 points in this trade, but I'm not just going to say, right, steam in with a stop loss at 83 above this level. That would be hideous. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom this in to a 15-minute chart for you, and you're going to be able to see that although we are a little bit overcooked here and here, there is potential. Now, what I'm thinking this might well do is pull down to here. It might then bounce off of here, find a little bit of support, and then pull back up to this area here, the 81, 80 to 82 level. Alright, now if it does that, then as that then starts to turn and we start getting some red coming in, we can try and preempt the break of this weekly pivot and monthly R1. As I say, it's a little bit oversold on my 60 minute, it's a little bit oversold on my 50 minute, and my trigger is popping up. So I want to see it just come back down here a little bit, test this, bounce up, find some resistance off the pivot, off the descending 20 moving average, off the descending 60 minute 20. The box plate, and this is where we should have been in, somewhere like this, but unfortunately it wasn't. But not going to cry over spilt milk. 81.50 is the level, needs to be broken. I want to see that tested, bounce up, and then we play that there. Show you that on a 60 minute chart for a bit more clarity. So that's what I'm looking for here. Do I want to play just this break? Well, I can do, but like I say, it's a little bit oversold, I do believe, at the moment. So I might have to, if I did play that break, then experience quite a lot of drawdown. My stop loss would have to be above my 60 minute 20 up here. So by the time that gets up there or gets down there, I've got a 82. I'm trying to get in at 81.50, only a 50 point risk. Okay, so it's not too bad, but I want to see it go 45, 40 down. You know, no, I'm all about timing, me. If I can't get it right on the timing front, I'll usually not bother, because I don't like the pain. They say no pain, no gain. Absolute nonsense with trading. If you get a lot of pain, you're likely to take stupid, unnecessary risks, which isn't particularly great. I'm not a bodybuilder, so don't do pain in that department either. Alright, okay, so I want to see this tested, 81.50, pop back up to the 82 level. As that turns, bang, hit that, stop loss a little bit higher, 82.15, maybe even 82.30, something like that. But as you're going to probably get in around about the 82 level, there's a potential 150 points for a 30 point risk. That's what I'm looking at. CAD yen short through this level. Do I want to play the break? No, I want to watch it move from here up to here and then hit it on the way down. Let me just pop that on there for you. Okay, wait for break. or wait for a bounce off of that region. And then, oh dear, what we got here? What's going on? And there we go. So that's what I want to see. Something like that. Those of you that like the correlation, you might want to have a look what dollar CAD's doing and dollar yen's doing. Ideally you want dollar yen moving down, and you want dollar CAD want to see a weak CAD. So you want dollar CAD moving up, and you want dollar yen moving down. Alright, so if you want to have a look at those and put them vertically 3 in a line, please do so, but I don't think you really need to bother. Let's not confuse the issue. Let's just try and trade what we see. If this doesn't break that, I'm not going to be bothered. If it does break that and then pops back up to here, am I going to be bothered again? No. I want to see it testing this, bounce back up, averages catching up, applying the pressure. Might happen in the next hour, might happen in the next 3 hours, might not happen at all, but that's what I want to see. And then thank you very much.